This is Stephanie Merchant from thenutritionmom.com. We are going to make vegan coconut cream with strawberries today. This is a decadent treat and a sweet treat that only calls for 3 ingredients. The bonuses are it is dairy-free, your kids are going to love it, and it is delicious. So all we need for this is 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. We need 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, strawberries for dipping. You pour the liquid out, make sure and keep it because it is great added to smoothies later on. You take your hand blender and you put it on the whipping option and you whip your cream. Whip it until it comes to nice little points and gets nice and smooth. Then you want to add your maple syrup and your vanilla. You will whip it some more and then you are done. All you need are your fresh strawberries to dip it in.